Hey, virtual sixth grade. I've got Samuel Adkins' loan repayment activity up here. I'm going to use it as an example. He did a good job on this, did it correctly. If you remember when we were talking about borrowing money on a car, we learned that if you finance a car at the same interest rate over longer periods of time, the payment drops, right? If it's a 36 loan, it's $507. If it's a 72-month loan, the monthly payment is $272. But we also learned that that would cost us more over time because we're paying interest for a longer period of time. So in thinking about that, that kind of can simplify all this credit card mess for you. Remember, on a credit card, you learned yesterday that a credit card's not linked to like your checking account like a debit card is. So it's not just going to pull money that you already have. A credit card is linked to what's called a line of credit. And what a line of credit is a bank or company or credit card company says, hey, we will give you $7,000 line of credit, meaning you can borrow up to $7,000 at any point in time by using the credit card. So what ends up happening is when we run that credit card, we make a purchase. And then on that purchase, they're going to charge us interest. The longer that we leave that money on the credit card, the more interest that we're going to be paying. So where credit cards can become problems is that if we go ahead and we slide that card and purchase something on it, and then we decide when the bill comes that we're not necessarily going to pay all of it. We're only going to pay a little bit of it because they'll let us choose how much we pay to some extent. So people will start paying little monthly fees back to the credit card company without paying their entire balance. And then, as we know, that means over time we're going to pay more for our products. So, there's really no way around financing cars and homes for the most part because they're very large purchases. So we understand we have to pay a little bit of interest, like 3, 4, 5% on those. With a credit card, though, you learned yesterday that the average credit card interest rate's in the 20 or 30%, which is crazy high. And then we use that to finance small purchases, maybe go into the grocery store to pick up groceries or to pay for a vacation. When we do that, we're going to, over time, pay more for the products that we're getting, so they can be very expensive. Now, credit card companies are good. They're smart. They say, hey, well, look, you can pay the whole thing off at the end of the month, and you don't have to pay any interest. And some people do that. But also understand a lot of people go into a credit card relationship thinking that that's the way they're going to do it. And then they fall in love with paying just a little bit. And before you know it, you've got 3, 4, 5, even $10,000 in credit card debt out there because you've fallen in love with paying these low monthly rates, and you continue to pile up large sums of interest. Credit card companies also give you benefits for using their card. So they'll give you money back, or they'll give you bonuses, points to fly, get free flights and free travel and things like that. So they try to entice us to use their card as much as possible, knowing that the more people that are enticed to do this, the more people are going to end up paying interest. So just to kind of wrap up with that, I am going to answer some of your more specific questions as I get more of those assignments in. So we'll continue our talk about credit cards at least through tomorrow. But for today, I just want you to make sure you've got that stuff finished up from yesterday and understand that credit cards are just another way to borrow money. We can get by without paying interest on them if we pay our bill in full as soon as it comes through. But understand most people fall into the trap of not paying the full payment, and then they end up paying more over the time because of the amount of interest that they're paying. Thanks. Once you guys watch this video, just click mark as done so that you get credit for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.